Bubba, come here. Get back here, young sir. Come on, time for you to shower. Dun, dun, dun. What's up, everybody? Chuuuki gang, let's go. Today, I'm gonna be restoring Toby's carbon fiber trunk. I was originally going to be restoring Nelson's carbon fiber hood, but I kind of don't want to do that yet because I want to go ahead and test out the water with this one. So if I do a good job with restoring this one up, then that means I could do good restoring his hood. So this one is not as important to me as the actual hood over there, but we'll use this one as a test run. And if it comes out good, then we'll do Nelson's hood tomorrow. Let me go ahead and show you Toby's trunk though, so we can see the before and the after, you know? I honestly don't think some of this is curable, but we'll try and we'll see what we can do. And I'll work my magic, you know? I'll work my magic. It's my first time doing this, but we'll see how this goes. So if we could get this one to work, then tomorrow we'll be doing Nelson's hood, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. Maybe some 14s to remove there, and we shall be good. We shall be good. Let's get started, guys. I'm actually pretty excited because let me go ahead and show you guys what I have or what I'm gonna use. I got a bunch of sandpaper. I got the 1500 grit, 400 grit, and 600 grit. Okay, I'm actually supposed to be using 800 grit, but they didn't freaking have 800, so I just went with 600, and I'm gonna just use it lightly. I'm gonna just use it lightly, man. I'm just go light on it, you know. I saw you pull up. Oh, Limpy! So guys, she's gonna be helping me restore. No. That's why she's here, to help. Yeah. Woohoo! She doesn't know it though. Oh my god, what did you do? What'd you do? What? How did this happen?
I just hit a bump. Like...
You hit the bump or the bump hit you?
Let's blame the bump.
The bump. Okay, but what happened over here with this red? What's this? Explain.
That wasn't me.
Explain.
That wasn't me.
That wasn't me.
No, I'm serious.
Who tried painting the caliper? Shamali. Oh my god.
Someone that obviously doesn't know.
He's fired. He's fired. What? Let's see. What else is wrong with it? We're gonna be going through all it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Me out like that.
Look at this. Oh my god. She did it herself, guys.
No, I didn't.
She did it herself. Huh, Baba?
Do you like my car?
I don't lie, so.
Go ahead, answer the question. I'm waiting. It's still working.
Nah, I'm just kidding. Next question?
Answer. Emma.
No, I'm just kidding. I like it. EPC, let me see.
Oh shit. Dude.
Alright, so I'm not a professional and this is not a how-to, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do this myself, and if it comes out good, then it's a how-to. But like I said in the beginning, guys, I'm literally just gonna be experimenting, and we'll see how this goes. Like I said, I don't care for this trunk, so it don't matter. It don't really matter, but I'm gonna start off with the 1500 grip tape. I'm just gonna be going back and forth. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm almost done with this grit, and then we're gonna go in with the other grit. I'm gonna go with the 600. Wish me luck, man. Wish me luck. Alright guys, so it's wet right now, so it looks kind of normal, but if you look at it closely, it is actually really bad. It's really, really bad. It has a lot of peel, and it just looks like garbo. This is what happens over time when the clear, it starts it disintegrates with the sun, the UV rays of the sun, and it disintegrates, and apparently it messes it up. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the 400. Then lastly, I'm gonna go in with the 600, which I was supposed to have an 800, but you know, they didn't have it, so I was like, all right, I'm gonna settle down with the 600. Look, it's turning ugly. Look at it. Like, you can see it's two colors. Okay. Whoa. What do you think?
Dope.
dope. So this is how it's gonna look once it's clear coated. Hopefully it looks good. Hopefully it looks good. I'm gonna go in with the last one to smooth it out, and then we're gonna get to clear coating, which I'm kind of excited for it actually. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and dry it up. I'm pretty nervous. Hopefully it comes out good. Pray for me guys, pray for me. All right, here it goes guys. Here it goes. A little bit right here. It looks kind of good. No cap. Oh my gosh, I think I went a little too thick. I went a little too hard on the hand. Let me see, I'm gonna try it again. Yikes! I'm doing really bad. It looks better. That's all I'm gonna say. It looks better, but I accidentally got a little drip here and there. Just squint though. Just squint. You won't be able to see it. Yeah. So I did a pretty bad job, but it looks better than how it did before. That's a for sure. So we need to let it dry. What do you have to say?
It's too much drip.
Too much drip. Thank you for the help.
Okay.
Thank you for the help. Here you go. Damn, we got our car girl over here.
I'm like, yes, I put those.
I have a problem making the things foggy. Like I made my headlights foggy too. Whoa. Guys, the birds are following the drone. See it? That's the drone. Woohoo! Whoa! They're following the drone, guys. I think they think it's a mom or something. Oh! Whoa! Do a stinky leg, do a stinky leg. Whoa! Go! You guys ready to see the most beautiful sky I've ever seen? Ta-da! Cotton candy skies. It looks better in person. Right now it looks a little on the orange side, but it looks so beautiful. I am back to tell you guys about Toby's trunk. So yesterday I coated it one time, guys, one time. Usually when you do this, you're supposed to do it like a few times with light coats. You're supposed to do it a few times, you know, very lightly, light coats on it, you know? And I only did it one time, one coat. And the reason behind that is because I just wanted to go ahead and see how it was gonna look, if it was even gonna look nice, and if I wanted to even go on with this. Because let me go ahead and tell you guys a secret, but I'm actually not gonna be keeping this look. I am actually gonna be wrapping it. So this carbon is not even gonna be seen. So I just wanted to go ahead and experiment with this and see if it actually came out decent or nice. And it came out nice. It doesn't look the best, but I got here some wax and I got this cute little buffer here, and I'm gonna go ahead and buff it out. But so when I do Nelson's carbon fiber hood, I'm gonna be going in there very lightly and doing my best, you know, doing a better job. All right guys, let's go ahead and wax it. Alrighty guys, So I'm finally done buffing it out, you know, Warren Buffett. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys how much it costs. Now, I got 3 different types of sandpaper. I would say they're about $8 each. And then I got this for like about $10, man, $10. Give my motherfucking $10. And then I also got, bazam, boom, bajam, boom. I got this one here for about 20 bucks. I actually don't remember. I think it was 20 bucks though. It came out to around $50, around there roughly. If I'm being honest, I wouldn't say I was restoring this because I don't feel like I restored it. I just feel like I made it look better. So if you guys are interested in making your carbon fiber look a little better, you know, give it some more life, then you guys can go ahead and do that. It was really cheap and it was pretty easy. This is my first time doing it. I would rate this a 3 out of 10. 10 being the worst. Nah, just kidding. 10 being the best. I'll rate this a 3. You guys can go ahead and rate this. And while you're at it, you guys can go ahead and comment down the emoji of the day, which is gonna be a drip, because I accidentally left a lot of drips on there, not gonna lie. Make sure to comment the drip emoji, and as you guys know, I will be replying back to you guys with the RO, because you guys are mother freaking real ones. Chuuuki gang, let's go. Patreon shout out goes out to Vinny. Post notification shout out goes out to Victor Acosta. Thank you guys so much. And if you guys want a shout out, you guys know what to do. Either be a part of the Patreon gang or turn your post notifications on and be the first to comment. Let's get it, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.
Right beneath me. 8K with the fucking bean, yeah, 3B, smoking on that BG.